I'm trying to avoid the cylinders, but I'm not that worried about it. Just making it, trying to get all the gunk off of it. I'm going to do a really quick spray paint Craigslist rebuild on it after we get it kind of as clean as possible. About 15 minutes after we got it running and idling, we decided to take it apart because we needed new heads anyway, new head gaskets. We pulled it all apart. We found it had the original like plastic timing chain that was really loose. It wasn't bad per se, but it had a lot of play in it. So we pulled that off, pulled the cam out. Bearings, he feels look pretty good, but the motor is just really gunky. So I've had it soaking in diesel fuel for a week and doing a bunch of cleaning up the sludge. And you can see the cylinders look pretty good. I'm not sort of on this, but cylinder is good. Little dirt in there. It's just from me cleaning it, but I'm trying to get all this sludge out from here and there, and then I'm going to take the drain pan. All right, well, I'm going to start PORing this firewall. I degreased it and kind of give it a good scrubbing, and then a brake cleaner wipe down, and we're going to go ahead and brush it black. So this is the before. I can't get the brake booster off, so I'm going to paint around it for today. And then I'm going to YouTube how that thing comes out of there. All right, see how it goes. All right, well, first coat is going down. I'm painting everywhere. I know is going to be difficult when there's an intake and headers and heads on this thing. So I'm painting the back of the block, what goes to the bell housing. I'm painting the sides from under the car and up here the best I can. And I want to paint this front section here. I'm painting the timing cover separate. And the heads, you already saw I'm spray painting. And the valve covers are already black. So we're getting somewhere. It's POR 15, so at least it'll protect it for another number of years. And it's all black, so can't go wrong. I think it looks better on camera than it does in real life. But that's 2 coats of POR 15. It generally stays just like a almost glossy, not quite like a semi-gloss. It's not supposed to run, but I got some runs in it. I think I put it on too thick, but I basically wanted to do all I could do while the engine was apart, and I went ahead and painted the sides of the engine too, and the back of the engine where the bell housing is. But it's all black, and it's pretty good on rust.